the Vice President.
4 more years.
The Chairman, Your Imperial Majesty, Oni of Ife, Your Royal Highnesses, Ministers of State, Members of Parliament, members of the Diplomatic Corps, basically also the Nigerian High Commissioner to Ghana, Executive Governor, Kwara State, Ghana Traditional Council, distinguished invited guests, His Eminence, my father, the National Chief Imam, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, I bring you greetings from His Excellency, the President of the Republic, Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, who is currently outside the country, is very good friends with the Oni of Ife, and he extends his very, very warm regards and congratulations for this occasion. For me personally, it is an honor and a privilege to be here. Fundamentally, when you look at it, we are all one people. The Yoruba in Ghana have been here since the 17th century. In fact, the history of the Ghana state in Ghana is a history that begins from Ife, and this is why we have Oni Koko and Oni Nana, and this is how they settled in Accra, Kosu, Labadi, Teshi, Nungwa, and Tema. These are all settlements that were begun by the Ghana who originated from Ife. So we are really one people, and today's occasion is to see the conferment of some chieftaincy titles, and we have to understand the important role that chieftaincy plays in our country and our respective countries. About some 20-something years ago, I wrote a paper which was titled "The Case for a Domestic Foreign Policy." And I called it a domestic foreign policy because within any country, especially within Africa, when you take Ghana or Nigeria, the state is really very much at the local level embodied in our chiefs. And if you look at the relationships amongst different tribes, you would know that if our chiefs get along, our people will also get along. So I was advocating the case for close interactions and interrelationships between our chiefs. So we shouldn't really see foreign policy as one of going from one country, Ghana, to the United States or to Germany. But we should encourage that interrelationship and contact amongst our chiefs locally. And that will also bring our people together. And this is no different when we look at it beyond our borders. And today's ceremony really is a relations.
Four more years.
The Vice President of the Republic, His Excellency Alhaji Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. Ladies and gentlemen, a resounding round of applause.